Hey everyone, Justin here. I help creators make their first dollar on the internet, and design just went agentic. Don't worry, I'm going to break it down for you in today's video. Because what does that mean? Well, I no longer design images and social media assets by dragging and dropping text and photos and different things around on a screen. I use prompts. I tell the computer what I'm working and what I'm thinking on, and the computer goes out and designs that image for me. It's really cool. AI has completely redefined the way of what it means to be a graphic designer. And Canva AI 2.0 isn't just another feature, it's completely redesigning how you create. And that hits differently for me because not just thinking of this from a creator perspective, I'm thinking of it from a founder perspective, building visionary paths. Because everything I'm working on right now is about helping creators earn their first dollar on the internet. And that entire creativity, the process, the journey from idea to getting that out on paper, making content, doing it consistently, and then resulting into opportunity and earning that first paid dollar on the internet. I attended Canva Create 2026 in Los Angeles, and what I saw surprised me. I didn't know what they were going to announce, but before I dive into all the features, let's talk about Canva's mission to empower the world to design. That actually means something. Design is how people express ideas, tell stories, package value. And especially for early stage creators, most people don't fail because they lack ideas. They fail because the process is too fragmented to stick with that idea long enough to make money and do it consistently. And I respect how Canva talked about AI. They're not just replacing artists, they're saying they want AI to amplify artists. And that aligns with how I think about it as well. Creators don't need replacement, they need the best tools. And up until now, creativity has been broken and scattered across too many tools. One for writing, one for design, one for research, one for chat, and just too many. You're constantly switching between tabs, copying and pasting, reformatting, restarting, and even with the latest AI tools, it's just too fragmented. You generate something new and then you tweak it, you lose control, you start over, nothing remembers you. Nothing stays on brand. Nothing connects, and it's just too many tools. And over time, the friction slows you down and kills momentum. But what Canva just did shifts us from tools to orchestration. Instead of jumping between apps, everything happens in one system. You're designing, and it's incredible because you get to direct your design. Canva AI 2.0 is all about agentic orchestration. It understands your goal and coordinates multiple capabilities to get you there. Not just one output, but the whole system working together. That's the shift. That's the best way to think about what it's like in an orchestra. No instrument plays alone. You get to use conversational design and connect the connectors, memory, web research, scheduling, brand intelligence, layered object intelligence, and Canva Code 2.0 all together. Each one matters. But let's be real, it's how they work together. Canva is the conductor, and you're not just playing each piece in one single app. You're directing all of them together in one system. And what I was most excited about is the connectors. And one thing that was really cool during the Canva Create 2026 keynote, if you haven't seen it, go check it out. They had a live orchestra there. And as they unveiled one feature to the next, the orchestra would play. And then at the very end, when they announced all the new features, the orchestra played every single instrument together. It was beautiful. You've got to check it out. And that's the same kind of message they want with their products. You've got to use all of them together to get the best value. And the best way to do that is to use connectors because this is what makes everything real. Canva can read my Notion, my Google Drive, my Slack, and that changes everything. Now Canva has context. It understands what I'm working on, and for visionary paths and working with smaller creators, that's massive. Creator journeys already live across so many tools, and now that data can actually connect to design and turn into something useful instantly. And that means I can take the data that's in my Canva sheets and output it on a Canva Code 2.0 website. I can make slide decks from my About page and my About Me summary. And it's really cool because now you don't need all these different tools. You can just use one system. And that's the best part. Creators don't need more tools, they need less friction, and this turns the creation into one big giant happy system instead of a one-off app like Expert where you use one at a time. And with memory, the About Me is going to change everything because it will understand your style, your preferences, your workflow. They even made one button that the About Me feature can look at all the designs you've ever made in Canva and then learn your style and put it all into a, one summary. So when it designs something in the future, it's like, oh yeah, you designed it like this last week and a month ago and 6 months ago. I know you like to use this font and put this image, and then it can design things for you in the future based off the way you've designed things in the past. It's really cool. So memory and the About Me are key features alongside of connectors. Now, AI usually forgets everything, and you have to repeat yourself over and over again when you start a new chat or you start, a new process or a new design. But no longer will you have to do that with tools like the About Me because it understands your tone and your identity, and tools are best when they adapt to you and they don't need to reset. Conversational design is just the beginning for it, and you get to have a head start. You can head over to Canva or canva.com, go to click on the Canva AI button and type in magic superpowers and try out all of this today. A lot of people don't know what they want to do and they don't know how to start. But the key thing is just to write it down on a sheet of paper or to talk it out loud and capture it and then type it into the chat bot and let the magic superpowers take the rest. You don't need to go to school and get a fancy degree or be a designer by trade. You can just be human and create something that's in your imagination. It's really special and you've got to try it. So I think that's what's going to help a lot of creators earn their first dollar on the internet. Just being able to go to canva.com and take an idea and make it a reality. Canva unveiled a ton of new features, all the way from, being able to use web research, scheduling, brand intelligence, and combining them all together. Research usually breaks the flow because you have to open up a web browser and have all these different tabs together, and nothing is consistent and in the same page. But now with Canva AI 2.0, you can just chat and say, go research XYZ, and it connects all the sources together. Canva handles all three inside of the system, and you stay in the flow, you stay consistent, and you stay on brand. Now that's how creators grow. And then with Canva Code 2.0, it pushes beyond content. Now you can build dashboards that connect to your Canva sheets. And for Visionary Pass, that's everything because it isn't just about content, it's about systems. And systems are what actually scale. Creators are going to be able to scale with this magical tool called Canva AI 2.0. And honestly, what really surprised me at the conference was the print shop. You can take an idea, make it digital, but then bring it into reality. They emphasize the print shop a lot and being able to, print mailing packages or make a shirt or a hoodie or a mug. All this is powerful because digital gets attention and physical creates presence. It makes it real. And for creators trying to build identity, that matters more than what people think. When I zoom out, the big idea is simple. Creativity and productivity are merging, and Canva is at the forefront building this intersection. This feels like a real creative partner, not just an AI tool, and it isn't replacing creators, it's amplifying them. The creators who use systems like this will move faster, stay consistent, and reach their first dollar sooner. We're entering an era of agentic creativity, and Canva is the key interface for it because they're at the forefront of this race. I'm building Visionary Pass, and Canva AI 2.0 is going to be a big part of it because it's going to allow creators to earn their first dollar online. And the best part is you can start for free. I deeply care about Canva's mission to empower the world to design and how they merge creativity with productivity. What stood out is agentic orchestration. It feels like the same systems I've been building where agents design for me, but now inside of Canva. The orchestra analogy is real. Conversational design, connectors, memory, web research, scheduling, brand intelligence, layered objective intelligence, and Canva Code 2.0 all working together. Connectors are huge since Canva can read my Notion, Google Drive, and Slack. Memory learns how I design. Print Shop opens physical creator identity. And this AI is amplifying creators and not replacing them.